What? Go back to work. Then go away. Back at the boring restaurant ever. Hello. Who's there? Down here, you moron. Oh. I would like something like a date-ish food. Okay. Yeah. With my date. I don't know where he is. Who is he? Bonnie? No, not Bonnie. Yes, he's mine. Is that a toothbrush? No. I wasn't brushing my hair with a toothbrush. If you were, then that's gross. Alright, back to work, I guess. Now I have an Undertale heart. Open! There's meat inside it. Pour it. Oh. Let's put this in a cup, because it will be more different. Booty. What? Okay. Put this in the cup. Stuff it all the way in. Do this. There we go. There. And one more thing. Your toothbrush. There. It's magical. There's your stupid date ice cream thing. I love this. Is that my toothbrush? No, I didn't put it in there. Whoever put this in is mine. Alright. I love this. Me too. On the count of 3. 1, 2. Mine. It's mine. I'm ripping it. It's mine. What happened to my face? I saw a seagull. This is the worst. Don't get triggered, Bonnie. Calm. You said it like 2,000 times. Or 6, whichever. Well, Bonnie. I just want to say. No! No! Get out of here! Sorry about that, guys. I'm not the same. Just kidding. Can you feel the love tonight? Get out of here! Get! Ow, my face! I thought you liked Chica! Not that trashy blue bird. Hey! You go with him! No! Oh. I chopped his face off. Oh no. Ah, my face! There. Go have fun. Gotta go.
makeup.